Listen, there are seasons in life where the soul feels tired and the heart grows weary, where you pray and wait and wonder if God still hears your voice. There are nights when your pillow is soaked with tears no one sees, when your strength is running low and your faith is trembling in your hands. But hear me and let this settle in the deepest parts of your spirit. You are not abandoned. You are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. The God who formed the galaxies, the God who commanded light to break through darkness, the God who breathed life into dust. He knows your name. He sees your pain. He feels your tears. He is nearer than your own breath. The scripture says, "Fear not, for I am with you." This is not a distant God speaking. This is not a silent God whispering. This is the God who fights for you, the God who carries you, the God who says, "My child, I am here." Even when your hands are trembling, He holds you. Even when your heart is breaking, He comforts you. Even when your faith feels small, He strengthens you. Think of Abraham standing beneath a sky full of stars with nothing but a promise. Think of Joseph, forgotten in a prison, but not forgotten by God. Think of David, running in the wilderness, yet still called my beloved servant. Think of Paul, praising God in chains because his soul was already free. These stories were not recorded to decorate scripture, but to teach your heart this truth. The same God who carried them is carrying you. So yes, cry if you need to cry, weep if you need to weep, pour out every burden, every fear, every worry. There is no shame in your tears. God collects them. God understands them. God answers them. And after the tears fall, after the night stretches long, after the weight presses heavy, it is God who will lift you again. It is God who will whisper strength into your bones. It is God who will breathe courage into your spirit. It is God who will say, "Rise. The story is not over." Beck. Beck.